This is an emergency alert from the SCP Foundation. A very dangerous creature named UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE has escaped from the SCP Foundation. If you see this creature, call SCP Foundation immediately. A very dangerous creature. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE destroyed New York City. Many people have died. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE started promoting Roblox gambling website BloxFlip. This creature also is capitalizing on religion, God, and animal abuse for content. Areas affected: New York State, Connecticut, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Maine, New Hampshire, portions of Niagara Falls, and portions of New Brunswick. This will affect Interstates 84, 90, 95, 91, 93, 193, 89, 384, 684, 291, 391, 291, 490, 890, 190, 290, 495, 495, 395, 195, 295. This includes Charter Oak Bridge over Connecticut River, George Washington Bridge, Founders Bridge over Connecticut River, Buckley Bridge over Connecticut River, William H. Putnam Bridge over Connecticut River, Pearl Harbor Memorial Bridge over Quinnipiac River.
UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE destroyed all of New England. She is getting Pack God to roast her. SCP Foundation is trying to get her back in her cage. We will keep everyone in the US updated. This is a nationwide message from the SCP Foundation. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE can't be put back in her cell. She destroyed SCP Foundation Base 12 at Boston Harbor. SCP Foundation is trying to put this creature in SCP Base 13 Cape Cod, Plymouth. We will keep everyone updated. This is SCP, Secure, Plan, Protect. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE had successfully been put into her cell. She only caused minor damages to her path. We are strictly monitoring the creature. We will keep everyone updated. This is a very dangerous situation. Take cover in an underground bunker now. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE has escaped from SCP jail. If you see this creature, call 911 right away and run away as fast as you can. Secure, Plan, Protect. This is an emergency action notification issued by FEMA, FCC, SCP, local authorities, U.S. President and U.S. government. UWUFATHERLESSCRINGLE destroyed all of the continental U.S. Take cover in a bunker now.